Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any regular photo into an epic metal sculpture styles artwork using TwinFace app. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and yet you can do this for free. So let's get started. First, just open the TwinFace app, and then if you don't have it yet, just open the Play Store and then just search for TwinFace and then just download it. And then next just open it and then log in using your Google account. And don't worry, TwinFace offers a free package with weekly free credit so you can generate effect without paying anything. And then next just after logging in you will be on the home page like this, and then just simply tap on AI filter, this one, and then next just scroll down until you find the super filter sections, this one. This is the sections where TwinFace hides some of its coolest and most detailed styles, and then just tap on it, and then inside this section just look for the effect that called metal flow. This one, just tap on it. This is the filter that will transform your face or photo into a shiny metallic sculpture, almost like a liquid metal frozen in photo like this. And then next, just select the photo. Just choose the picture that you want to transform. You can use a selfie, a portrait of friend, or even an object. The effect will work on almost anything. Like this, and then next just simply tap on animate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments your image should now appear in full metal sculpture styles like this. And I think it super looks good. It's super classy, futuristic, and dramatic. And then next, if you like it, you can save it directly to your gallery by tap on download button, or just share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. A quick and easy way to turn any photo into a stunning metal sculpture artwork using TwinFace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.